1 million follower.
Well, to have 1 million followers is like a distant dream for now, right? So let's begin with the video. Page number 78. So वो कहानी सुनाने के पहले मैंने सोचा सूर्य दर्शन हो जाए, ओके, और थोड़ा गेटअप भी थोड़ा चेंज हो जाए ना। कहानी बहुत अच्छी है, वन ऑफ माई फेवरेट्स। Page number 78, story number 12. Before a fall cometh the pride. Before a fall cometh the pride. एक और ऐसा एक्सप्रेशन आप लोगों ने सुना होगा, कमिथ द आवर कमिथ द मैन। जब ज़रूरत पड़ती है तब वो आदमी आता है जो बचा सकता है। तो सुनते हैं। सो I am the fastest of all you will ever get to know. I am the fastest of all you will ever get to know. And a super fast hare started making fun of a tortoise for being so banally slow. Please tell me, dear Leo, do you ever get anywhere? He then asked sneeringly with a hint of a mocking laugh and said further, I will defeat you in a mile run with a margin of 1.5 miles. समझिए क्या खतरनाक इंसल्ट करी उसने। 1 मील की रेस में 1.5 मील से हराने की बात कर रहा है कछुए को। Then the other animals chuckled at the clever insult. बाकी लोग भी देख रहे थे कछुआ कुछ नहीं बोल पाया। But the hare wasn't done yet. You see, you are regressive and remind me of ancient primitive times when being fast is a virtue in this modern world. Then why do you commit this terrible crime? And then, smirking, he added, you are not slow. You are not slow, Leo. You just like to let the world catch up. Even history moves faster than you do, Leo. No wonder you and the present never match up. वो ऐसा बोलता जा रहा है। कछुआ खून के आंसू रोने वाला है बस। Don't mind, again came the strike of sarcasm. इतना बोलने के बाद बोलता है don't mind. Again came the strike of sarcasm. But it is so painful to see you even try. Why don't you change your name to a rock and lay somewhere till you painlessly fossilize? समझ में आया? उसको बोलता तू पत्थर जैसे कहीं बैठ जा भाई, तो चलने की ज़रूरत क्या है? वाई आर यू ट्राइंग? जब तू कहीं पहुंच ही नहीं रहा है, उल्टा और चल रहा है। इतनी इंसल्ट कर रहा है कछुए की ये खरगोश, इतना घमंडी। माय गॉड। द क्राउड इरप्टेड इन लाफ्टर एट द हेयर्स relentless jabs, echoing loud like a clatter of jolly crabs. That's enough, warned the offended Leo, meaningfully asserting himself. He decided to defend his dignity amidst incessant attacks of insults. Well, the bizarre incident from historical times still serves as an epitome of something unfair. Tired of his unceasing arrogance, the humble tortoise accepted the challenge of a haughty hare. Tortoise बोलते हैं कि tortoise बोलते हैं? ये आप बताओ कमेंट्स में। टॉर्टोइस, मैं तो भैया बचपन से टॉर्टोइस बोल रहा हूँ, लेकिन कुछ लोग अंग्रेज लोग बोलते हैं टॉर्टिस। तो पता नहीं भाई कितना है इसमें। सो उसने चैलेंज एक्सेप्ट कर लिया ऑफ द हॉटी मतलब घमंडी, जो बड़े दिखावे वाले होते हैं ना, हॉटी हेयर। एंड thus began the famous race where both began at their usual pace. And thus began the famous race where both began at their usual pace. Even though feeling out of place and out of the question was the chase, it was important for Leo the tortoise to just finish the famous race. Now, as far away Leo was from the start, ये रेस यहाँ से यहाँ तक. Now, as far away Leo was from the start से यहाँ तक जैसा आया था, The bunny was as near to the end. रैबिट यहाँ पहुँच चुका था, खरगोश यहाँ तक आया था, वो वहाँ तक पहुँच चुका था. Now as far away Leo was from the start, the bunny was as near to the end. Something occurred to the obvious winner in the last minute that proves an old adage about overconfidence. यहाँ आता है overconfidence. And he thought of taking a nap under a tree. And he thought of taking a nap under a tree. Don't know why. घमंडियों को ही आते हैं ऐसे थॉट्स, है ना. उनको लगा थोड़ा फाइटिंग चांस दे दें कछुए को, सो जाते हैं, खड़े भी नहीं रहते हैं, सो जाते हैं. इंसल्ट की पराकाष्ठा. सो द केयरफ्री बनी रैबिट स्लेप्ट, counting his chickens before even they hatched. Because of overconfidence, he would lose the race despite having a speed inimitable, unmatched. He slept over in the face of his imminent victory, thereby giving Leo a fighting chance. And to the finish line, that clumsy little tortoise slowly but steadily advanced. He was fast, was a well-known fact. Who? Hare was fast, was a well-known fact, but it is said that before a fall cometh the pride. Hare's unchecked boastfulness ushered in finally the long-awaited turn of the tide. ये सब expressions हैं, idioms, maxims. Turn of the tide. समय बदल गया अब. Coming back to his senses again, the hare couldn't believe the astonishing sight. Surprising sight. He was surprised. At the finish line, to his amazement, was standing now the winner in his own right. The slow and steady Leo will always be cherished as the winner in his own right. So this is the story. कछुए खरगोश की कहानी हमने ऐसे सुना दी. तो स्टोरी नंबर 12 भी आपने देख लिया. और इसके पहले पिछली वीडियो में मैंने पेज नंबर 63 हैंडल कर लिया, जहाँ पे प्रोनाउंसिएशन ऑफ दी. सो इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल मॉर्निंग. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग मी. सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, सपोर्ट कीजिए इस चैनल को, मोटिवेशन मिलता रहेगा, हम धीरे धीरे आगे बढ़ते रहेंगे. ठीक है. Cheers till the next time. Thank you very much. सुहाना सफ़र और ये मौसम हंसी, हमें डर है हम खो न जाए कहीं.